Hello everyone, let's start with business and financial market update. Amazon will cut over 18,000 jobs, CEO Andy Jassy said in a message to staff that cited an uncertain economy. Several teams are impacted, however, the majority of role eliminations are in our Amazon stores and PXT organizations, he added. We intend on communicating with impacted employees starting on January 18, he further said. Moving on, Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani will focus his attention on company's green energy unit after putting his children in charge of other units, Bloomberg reported. Last year, he unveiled $75 billion plan for clean energy projects over the next 15 years. Ambani will oversee the building of gigafactories and blue hydrogen plants, access acquisition targets, and is talking to potential investors. Moving on, Taiwan's Foxconn on Thursday said its revenue dropped around 12% year over year in December after production got disrupted at its iPhone factory in China due to COVID-19 curbs and workers' protest. However, the company added that the production at the factory basically returned to normal in December. Foxconn further posted record revenue of around $215 billion for 2022. Moving on, shares of Apar Industries hit a new high of Rs 1864 as they rallied 5% on the BSE in Thursday's intraday trade, in an otherwise a weak market on positive outlook. At 12:27 pm, it was trading 4% higher than 1835 rupees as compared to 0.55% decline in the S&P BSE Sensex. In the past 6 months, stocks of the world's largest conductor manufacturer, third largest transformer oil manufacturer, and India's largest renewable cables manufacturer has zoomed 98%. In comparison, the S&P BSE index has gained 14%. Moving on, shares of Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services were up 3% at 240 rupees on BSE in Thursday's intraday trades after the Reserve Bank of India lifted restrictions on the company, wherein the company was supported from carry out any recovery repossessions activity through outsourcing arrangements. Meanwhile, in past 3 months, shares of Mahindra Finance outperformed the market by surging 20% as compared to 4.4% gain in the S&P BSE Sensex. In past 6 months, the stock has rallied 30% as against 14% rise in the benchmark index. Moving on, the initial public offer of Sah Polymers was subscribed 17.46 times on the last day of subscription on Wednesday. The initial share sale received bids for 9 crore 79 lakh 44,810 shares against 56 lakh 10,000 shares on offer as per data available with NSE. The retail individual investors RII was subscribed 39.78%. The category for non-institutional investors received 32.69 times subscription and the qualified institutional buyers 2.40 times. The initial public offering has a fresh issue of 1.02 crore equity shares. Price range for the offer was at 61 to 65 rupees a share. Moving on, shares of Bajaj Finance tumbled 8% to 6,032.25 rupees on the BSE on Thursday's intraday trades after the consumer finance reported that assets under management AUM grew by 27% year on year, lower than market expectation to 2.30 trillion as of December 31, 2022. On quarter, AUM grew 6%. AUM in financial year 23 Q3 grew by approximately 12,500 crores. AUM growth suggested that disbursements were strong across product segments, Motilal Oswal Financial Services said. Moving on, India's retail sales of overall vehicles witnessed a 15.28% growth to 2.11 crore units in 2022, according to data shared by Federation of Automobile Dealers Association (FEDA). The sales of two-wheelers stood at 1.53 crore units in 2022, a growth of 13.37% from 2021. Meanwhile, passenger vehicles retail sales were at 34.31 lakh units in 2022, up 16.35% from 2021. Moving on, Bharatpe's revenue jumped by 169% from 119 crore rupees in 2021 to 329 1 crore rupees in 2022. The company saw its total loss widen to 5,594 crore rupees due to change in the fair value of compulsory convertible preferences share amounting to 4,782 crore rupees. Bharatpe tripled its operating loss to 811 crore rupees from 2021 to 22 compared to 277 crore rupees in the year ago period. Moving on, BSNL will start 5G services in 2024, Union Telecom Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said. He was speaking on the sidelines of an event to launch Jio and Airtel 5G services in Odisha's Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. BSNL has shortlisted a Tata Consultancy Services and Center for Development of Telematics-led consortium to launch 4G network and subsequently upgrade it to 5G. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market updates.